Okay, part 2, because I was running out of time on the other video. The last section is 2-4, dividing rational numbers. Number 20, what is 96 divided by negative 6?
Negative 16.
Negative 16. How about negative 36 divided by 4?
Negative 9.
Correct.
Oh, wait, hold the thought.
How about decimals? 64.4 divided by 2.5.
25.7%.
Thanks, Tommaso, for being all prepared. 25.76. There's no negatives on that one, so we don't have to worry about it. Okay, now the part that I wanted to get to is the fractions where we have to use our special letters. What are they?
Negative 2 over 36.
Well, what's my letters that remind me what to do when I'm dividing fractions?
KFC.
K, C, F. Keep, change, flip. So I'm going to keep the first fraction the same. You just write it again. I'm going to change the what? To, yes, it goes from division to multiplication. And then I'm going to flip what?
1 over 12. It's going to be
Yes, because remember 12 always has an imaginary 1 under it. So I'm going to draw that in and then flip it. Rayleigh, are you typing? Come on, let's go. You're going to run out of time. And then I'm just going to multiply like normal. So I multiply the top numbers together. Negative 2 times 1 is? Negative 2. And 3 times 12 is? 36, yes. And that's my answer. So keep the first fraction the same. Change the sign of multiplication. Flip the second fraction. If it doesn't look like a fraction, make it a fraction by putting a 1 on the bottom. All right, last one. We're going to make it, guys, before the bell, maybe. Maybe not. Keep the first fraction the same. Change the what? Yes. And flip what? The second fraction. Then I just multiply the top numbers. Don't leave. Negative 10 over 12 is correct. We made it. Let me know if you have any questions.